Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today we have brought to you Redmi K30 Teardown. We will show you step by step how to reach inside the phone and if you want to replace any parts in that. Well, there are many different ways, but we start with heating up the back cover. Do not apply a lot of heat, it can affect the components. We'll do all the corners since it comes with a adhesive seal. We have to melt it a little bit so we can easily lift it up. We will use a suction cup or a suction tool to try prior opening. It's recommended to use a plastic card and not to go too much inside. And we keep prying around the back cover to cut through that seal. Go easy, take your time, don't rush it, don't put the card too much inside. Since it's the same phone from the water test, you can see some water is coming out with the card. Now pulling apart the back cover, you can see there is a water inside. We'll just dry it out with a cloth and we keep going with the tear down. Let's open up all the screws. Use a plastic spudger or a tweezer to gently lift up the back cover on the motherboard. Just keep soaking the water by a cloth. Well, that's not the part of normal tear down since it was used into the water test. So we are keep soaking the water. Always use plastic spudger tool to disconnect flex cables from the motherboard. Gently lift them up. In order to remove the battery, lift these adhesives and pull them out. Don't jerk it, go easy, slightly stretch it and keep pulling. Don't go very hard or fast. The adhesive can break and then you have to use different method to lift it up. That is not recommended, that can damage battery. So take your time, keep stretching, keep pulling. And it will release the battery. Just keep pulling the adhesive. Do the second one same. Remember, don't rush it. As you can see, now the battery comes off easily and it does not affect the back. Let's unscrew the back cover plastic from the charging port. remove the loudspeaker, get this out of the way, disconnect the main flex, disconnect the power volume flex, disconnect the LCD flex. These golden tape stickers are important in their place. Make sure you don't tear them so you can reuse them. Might not affect big time, but they are there for a reason. After peeling them halfway, you can leave the rest on the connectors itself. It will become easy for you to lift the connector. So you can start removing all the components which are above the motherboard, front cameras, then back camera. Front cameras have two connectors, two cameras. Back camera has 3 connectors. Carefully check all the flexes attached to the motherboard and disconnect them. And then carefully lift up the motherboard. We would recommend you to use a plastic spudger tool to lift up the motherboard. Since our technicians are highly qualified, they know where exactly they are touching the tweezers. So it's alright, but recommendation will be a plastic spudger tool to take it off. Gently work your way through. There will be small pins which are holding the motherboard in the place. You have to just lift it up. That's your motherboard out, back camera, front camera out, loudspeaker, charging port shield. There you go. That's your teardown. Well, that's all for today. Please don't forget to comment on this video if you like it. Please share it and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys all soon. Bye.